Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, East Central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oxford, or 17 miles southwest of Newton, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Easton, Newton, Hackettstown, Washington, Blairstown, High Bridge, Clinton, Belvidere, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, Hope, Glen Gardner, Fendale, Captain, Stumptown, West Easton, Milford, Collie, Fawn, and Bloomsbury. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 75 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 18. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 23. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating,